Y'all, this is my first taste test of my Alfredo. This is like
It's fire. Cheesecake or Olive Garden. They got that.
damn. Making some chicken Alfredo. I've already cut up, washed and chopped and seasoned the chicken breast. Lori is cutting up some garlic and parsley, and now I'm just making sure that I basically saute. Is it saute? Saute the chicken, or cook the chicken rather, and get it cooked well done, not hard. And I put some vegetable oil. So yeah, just standing over it, trying to flip it. And yeah, that's what I've done so far. So I'll come back to you with my next step. I have my water gonna come to a boil. Your water should be coming to, you know, be hot when you put the noodles in, so they can start cooking immediately, not just sitting in water. So then my chicken is coming along. It looks almost done. I've been stirring it. So, and it's created its own juice. I just put some oil in there and it's created its own juice, which is nice. So I'm just gonna keep stirring and then it'll be ready. And then I'll put everything together and show you guys. Okay, y'all, the water has came to a boil. I'm about to put my noodles in for the fettuccine. And over here, my chicken is done and it tastes really good. It's very, very flavorful. It tastes real good. And I got my pan here ready for the sauce. So let's go. Okay guys, so straining the noodles and let's go to the next step. Okay, so I'm melting this butter in the pot. This is for the Alfredo sauce. So just melting it in here. And then I'm about to add the heavy cream. Woo! Okay. I'm thinking, should I put 2 cartons? Hopefully that's enough for everything. I'm about to stir these together. So here's the garlic and parsley. So I'm about to put this in my mixture. We chopped it up, fresh garlic. Just added salt and pepper to the mix. I'm about to add me some Parmesan cheese inside here. I want it to be creamy, cheesy. Woo. Cream is very thick, so now I let it cook for 5 minutes. I'm gonna put some parsley in, put it in, and then we're about to put this thing up in here. I already mixed the chicken and the noodles, So this is gonna be the taste test right now, okay? So I poured the mix in there, and it is creamy. Smells wonderful. I'm just gonna add some more pepper. We ready to eat. Alfredo looks so bomb. I'm about to tear this up. Mama, how is it? Don't tell the story. Oh, Mama, that's nasty. Okay, get out of there now.
Alright.
We about to make you a pot. I mean, we about to make you a plate.
I can make my own.
So Lori whipped up this bomb salad. And mine got croutons, it's lettuce, carrots, and I got some ranch in there, some cheese, and some croutons. Cucumbers is in here, so it's gonna be a fire meal. Yes. Okay, y'all. So this is my Sunday meal. I'm gonna put a little Parmesan on the top. We got two.
Really, really good.
We got some Texas toast right here, and this is how my plate looking. I did that. I cooked Sunday dinner. I'm so excited. Woo woo.
I'm excited that you did it.
I know.
So I didn't have to do it.
Okay. Okay. So that's how my plate looking, and then we got salad right here. And yes, everything is everything, y'all. You chowing down? How does it taste? Is it like is it good? Mom got her salad.
Here you go. Oh, thank you.
She got her Pepsi. Let me see your Pepsi, Mama. So she got her straw. She eating. Mama, you're on camera.
Good. Look.
Okay, let me see you eat it. Oh Lord.
Pretty tasty.
All right, Mama.
I will be going back for seconds.
Okay, wow. Okay, y'all, this is my first taste test of my Alfredo. This is like
It's fire. Cheesecake or Olive Garden in it. Got nothing
damn. This tastes good. That's good. Got me a little toast. My meal came out good. Not bad.
You need to do more cooking.
I do need more cooking. Okay, I will. I got the next
You can try my liver for me.
Hey, how was it?
Girl, it's fire. Cheesecake and Olive Garden got nothing on you, girl. It's good.
I can't believe it came out so good. I'm just shocked.
Why?
Why don't you want to apply for a job there? Show them how do I pay? I don't think so.
Okay, y'all, so I asked Granny when she want me to cook next. Tiny, be quiet. I asked Granny when she want me to cook for her the next time, and she said,
Liver.
I don't eat liver, but I'll make you some, even though I don't eat liver, Mom. But what I said was, she told me that she told me I could make Sunday dinner next Sunday, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I said I wanted to make some roast. She said roast is an expensive meat. You know, if you mess it up, you mess it up. But I can buy the roast, Mama. If I mess it up, I mess it up.
It's already bought.
So let me buy my own roast. So if I mess it up, I know you got a roast in the refrigerator already.
Just go right ahead.
But if I mess up the roast, can't nobody be like, oh, you messed up my roast and blah blah blah. Okay?
Hold on.
So I'm buying my own roast, no problem. And then y'all tell me what y'all want to have with the roast.
Macaroni and cheese.
Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna do my attempt at macaroni and cheese, y'all. I'm trying to get better at cooking. I want to be better at cooking. So I'm about to just get in there. What better way to learn to cook or get better at cooking but to just jump in there? I actually been cooking for the longest, but I don't cook that often. But I want to start cooking more often. So
you've been in there sucking up Pepsi Cola.
no, I haven't. My mom even touched no Pepsi. I only had one. But anyways, guys, so yeah.
No.
I guess next Sunday we're going to attempt to do another cook with me video. And I don't know if it's going to be salmon or a roast. So we're going to see. Because I'm going to have to go get the salmon, the good salmon from Costco. Okay?
And I'm going to.
Okay.
Because I might need a few things from over there.
Okay, that's cool. All right, y'all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Everything came out really, really good.
Tell them that I'm leaning sideways.
Granny said she leaning sideways, and I know that I'm sleepy. I don't know what's wrong with my eye. It's acting like it can't blink. But anywho, I'm very, very full. I still got salad left, and I tried to eat the garlic bread, but Ooh, you hear Granny belching? Mama.
Better out than in.
Okay, so everybody, that's a good sign that everybody had some.
God.
Are you full? We stuffed you, huh? Okay, y'all, so.
I ate the bread. I ate yummy food. And I ate all the salad. Look, there's nothing.
It ain't. I'm gonna try to get my salad down. I don't want nothing to go to waste. Food is too expensive.
Too expensive.
I don't play those games. So if it go on my plate, I try to eat it. It gotta be real nasty for it to go in the trash.
And then we might eat it then.
Oh no, I'm not eating. I can't eat nothing that I can't get down now, Mama. I'm not gonna do that.
Well.
That's what I ain't gonna do.
Okay.
But.
There ain't no but.
But sometimes if food go in the trash, it don't mean it's nasty. It just means that I'm too full. You know what I mean?
No, that's no excuse.
But if it's real good, I'm gonna save it for later and come back to it. How about that?
You might come back and you might not.
But it don't mean it's not good. It just means that I was just too full and I don't eat a lot of leftovers like that. So, I mean, I do eat leftovers, but then I don't.
But I'm gonna tell you like this.
What?
Honey.
I know if food is too expensive and people are starving, so we gonna eat them left. We gonna try to eat the leftovers.
You don't have to eat all of it because
it's expensive.
Too expensive. Very
expensive, and I don't play those games. I'ma eat what's on my plate. I don't like wasting food. So yeah. All right, guys, there y'all have it. I'll be back with a cook with me next week. And my kitchen, my kitchen is so small, so it's an apartment size kitchen, which is nothing wrong with it. I'm very blessed to have my kitchen, but I'm just saying, like, so I'm gonna get better at these. So, all right, guys, see you later. This is the end of this video. Peace out. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.